Part B of the question reads, explain 5 moral dimensions of the information age in the context of information systems. Explain 5 moral dimensions of the information age in the context of information systems. 5 moral dimensions. The first one is privacy, moral dimensions. 1, privacy. The information age raises concerns about collection, use, and even protection of personal data. And organizations must ensure ethical handling of customer information. The organizations must respect privacy preferences and also safeguard against unauthorized access or misuse of data. The second moral dimension of the information age in the context of information system, number 2, access to information. Access to information. The digital divide and unequal access to information and unequal access to technology create ethical dilemmas, and it's important to promote equal access to information and bridge the digital gap to prevent social and economic inequalities. So access to information is a moral dimension because we have a category of people who have access to information and technology, and we may have another cluster of people in the society who may not have access to information and technology, and that creates what we call a digital divide, and that becomes a moral dimension of the information age in the context of information systems. Intellectual property, number 3. Intellectual property. Now, the ease of copying, the ease of distributing and reproducing digital content raises ethical issues regarding intellectual property rights. And organizations and individuals must respect copyright laws, patents, trademarks, and other intellectual property rights when using and distributing digital content. So intellectual property is another moral dimension in the information age. 4, security. Security. The information age brings heightened concerns about cyber security, about data breaches and malicious activities. And therefore, organizations have a moral obligation to protect sensitive information. They have a moral obligation to implement robust security measures and also prevent unauthorized access or use of data. 5, social impact. Social impact. The information age has profound social implications, including issues of digital ethics, issues to do with digital divide, and social responsibility. And organizations need to consider the broader societal impacts of the information systems and ensure their practices align with ethical norms and social values. So, social impact is another moral dimension of the moral of information age in the context of information systems. So these are 5 moral dimensions, 5 marks. Privacy, access to information, intellectual property, cyber security, social impact, 5 marks.